If x is equals to minus 5 plus 4i, then x power 4 plus 9x cube plus 35x square minus x plus 4 is equals to the value of the given polynomial. So he has given that x is equal to minus 5 plus 4i, and we can write this is as x plus 5 equals to 4i. Now square on the both side. Okay, after squaring on both sides, what we'll get? X plus 5 whole square. We will get x plus 5 whole square is equal to 4i square. Now the resultant is x square plus 10x plus 25, which is equals to 16i square, and we know that I square is equal to minus 1. Okay, I square is equals to minus 1. We are getting this as a minus 16, and finally we'll get over here it is as x square plus 10x plus 25 plus 16. We will get 41 is equal to 0. X square plus 10x plus 41 is equals to 0. Now the given polynomial is x power 4 plus 9x cube plus 35 x square minus x plus 4. This is the given polynomial. Now we'll try to simplify this in terms of the result x square plus 10x plus 41. Okay, if I square x square is taken common over here, I will get x square into x square plus 9x square into x. Okay, so that means I will get, if we take x square as a common, 9x I will get. So for this one to get into this form, now I am adding over here as plus x cube I am adding, and minus x cube I am adding, and for over this term 35x square, but we need to get 41. Then I can write over here it is as plus 6x square minus 6x square. Okay, then next we have these two terms, minus x plus 4. Okay, right. Now trying to simplify over here, what we'll get? X power 4 plus 10x cube. These two results as 10x cube, and these two results as 41x square, and then we can write this is as minus x cube minus 6x square minus x plus 4. Now we can write x square is a common term over here, then we can write x square plus 10x plus 41 minus x cube minus 6x square minus x plus 4, and we know that the resultant of this one is 0. Now minus x cube we have over here, minus 6x square, and if we consider over here to get into the term of x square plus 10x plus 41, so if I take x square as a common, I will get over here x square into x minus 6x. Okay, if I take x square common, I will get it as a minus 6x. So to get it as a 6x, so x square minus x is a common, and I can add minus 4x square plus 4x square. Then minus x is over here. If I take x as a common, and I can add minus 40x plus 40x. Okay, minus 40x and plus 40x. Okay, for this x square we added minus 4x square plus 4x square. For this minus x we added minus 40x plus 40x, and we have the term plus 4 over here. Okay, we have the term plus 4. Now this term is 0. Okay, this term is 0. Now we can write this is as minus x cube minus 10x square minus x cube minus 10x square, and we can write these two as minus 41x. Then next the remaining terms are 4x square plus 40x plus 4. Okay, so now if we take minus x as a common, then we can write this as x square plus 10x plus 41. Now if we take 4 as a common, and I can write over here as 4x square plus 40x plus I am adding plus 160 and minus 160. Why? Because if we take 4 as a common, where the constant term is 41, 41 into 4, 164. To get that one, I am adding plus 160 and minus 160. Now minus x into x square plus 10x plus 41 is nothing but resultant is 0, plus 4 into, okay, now we can write 4x square plus 40x. By adding plus 160 and minus 160, I can write this as 164 minus 160. Okay, 164 minus 160, and this is minus x into 0. This is result is 0, and I can take 4 as a common from this one. Now 4 into x square plus 10x plus 41 and minus 160. So now we can write this as 4 into, this is 0 minus 160. The resultant is minus 160. The resultant is minus 160. So what is the answer? The option D is the correct one.